Blessings. This afternoon, assorted stories will be mentioned. Stay with us for all in detail. It is very important for you to watch the video throughout its entirety, all the way to the end for understanding. So, in the meantime, be reminded that if you are new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all so that way you will be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Intro. We soon forward. And sorry for the late upload. I'm all the way in the countryside in rural Jamaica, way down in the country, reminding you that watch the video all the way to the end for full understanding. So we are back in the Garden Parish of St. Anne, this time over in the community of Steertown, at the crime scene of a young man who goes by the government name Kimani Letman, otherwise called Skibbo. I was told that yesterday, February 8th, sometime after 2 a.m. in the morning, some relics armed with handguns went to his house, kicked in the door to his apartment, discharged a few rounds at him. He picked up quite a few, and as you all know, that is very unhealthy. So Kimani Letman, they didn't let him live, even though it is said that he was trying to run. But the speeding bullets pierced his flesh. He was taken to the St. Anne's Bay Hospital for pronunciation, and his mother, who was home at the time, she was not harmed. And we're going to stick around in the community of Steertown for a few more minutes. We're going to take a walk over to a section of the community that is called Gaza. This minor on your display, government name Ciara Green. This little girl, she is only 12, as in 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, a 12-year-old. She is from the community of Discovery Bay in St. Anne. That is where she resides, her static address. Well, on Sunday, January 29, Ciara Green ran away from home while her mother was busy getting ready for church. During that time leading up to her disappearance, she was communicating with this guy who goes by the name of Rajeme Wilson. That's his government name. He was the one who helped in the process by influencing her to leave without telling her guardian, her mother, her parent. Rajeme Wilson, he frequents the Windsor community in St. Anne's Bay, but he's mostly in Steertown. That is where he slept most times. He's a tour guide that is located across the road from the Marcus Garvey Technical High School, which is also the entrance to the St. Anne's Bay Regional Hospital. He'll assist you around on horses. Don't know what that job is called. Never ride a horse yet. Not interested. But that is what is on his profile. So after Ciara went missing off the radar, Rajeme, you called Ciara's mother on Saturday, February 4. Almost a week later, a couple of hours short of a week, you called and you told her mother that you know exactly where Ciara is. So you're going to help in bringing her home. So the mother, she must not worry, and you beg her, please, finna load it up, in your own words. Couple hours later, on that same day of February 4, you called again. This time, informed her that you found Ciara all the way in Falmouth, Trelawney, and you are now entering the parish of St. Anne. So the mother should meet you in the town of Ocherias to collect her daughter. The mother, she went there, parked her vehicle, and browse around the town of Ocherias for over 2 hours after you told her that you are now in the town and you are forward. She must stand up and wait for you. You take the big woman for eat that like Tom Fool there. Send the fool a little further. So Ciara's desperate mother stood with anxiety, hoping to see a long-awaited Ciara, but there was no Ciara. Your phone rang, but to no avail. The following day, which was February 5, you, Rahim, you called again from a different number this time, and you told her mother that Ciara is in Steertown, which is the same community I mentioned earlier, because you came to Ocharias, didn't see the mother, so you gave Ciara bus fare and thought she was home, but to your understanding she ended up in Steertown because someone told you that they saw her in the community. So you're going to make a link and the mother should meet you in Miami Bay for her daughter Ciara. That is what you told the mother. I listened to the conversation for myself. So you send the lady go all the way in Ocharias while on the 12-year-old, all the way in Steertown, exploiting her, taking advantage of her because yes, it has been confirmed that she is sexually active, and you wait until almost midnight to contact her mother. So with the assistance of the police, they went there, and a few persons were able to confirm the identity of the child, that yes, they saw her in the community in a certain group. So the police went by the location where they were directed to, but there was no Ciara or Rahim. Rahim was nowhere to be found this time, not taking any calls, voicemail unavailable. The police could only search the premises and they left. However, her mother was told by a certain individual that Ciara was indeed there about 5 minutes before they arrived. So the mother should leave her number and they would contact her with the necessary update on the return of Ciara, on her return from hiding. About half an hour after they exited the community, that person contacted Ciara's mother, telling her that Ciara has resurfaced and is now with the same group of boys that the police had just questioned, including Rahim. So Rahim, the new criminal, young rapist that is equally taking advantage of 12-year-old Ciara, your name is to be among those on the sex offenders registry before it is made public, so the entire Jamaica can see that you are a certified criminal. And as an employee, you're supposed to be fired. Going forward, you don't deserve to be employed in the working world. No business establishment whatsoever, nowhere across Jamaica, as you pose a major threat to all females, especially the vulnerable, which is children and the elderly, women that are helpless in resistance, including those who are unable to move around freely. You are a rapist, you are a criminal, and the lady need her daughter by the time you see this video, or else I really don't think you want me to finish that sentence. Police and everybody know you know and know your dirty style. Release Ciara Green. The child need to be reunited with her family. And that is final. So, my viewers, there you have it. And please do remember that if you are new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel, on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm blessings and more beatitude. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.